If you want to feel powerfully calm and able to concentrate deeply before going into a boardroom meeting or giving a big presentation, then try this breathing exercise which uses the mantra "so hum." So start breathing deeply in and out. And on the inhale, imagine you are saying the word "so." On the exhale, imagine you are saying the word "hum." So, hum. Keep your mouth closed and continue to inhale and exhale. So, hum. Keep doing this. What this does is lower the sympathetic nervous system and kick in the parasympathetic nervous system. It helps you really focus and calms everything down.